Hey YouTube, it's Keri Matsushima here, and you actually made it to part 3 of the unboxing and reveal series for my new iMac 24-inch and my iPad Pro. So the iPad Pro is not going to be featured in this particular part 3 video. This part 3 video is going to be mainly for revealing my new customized look of my new iMac 24-inch desktop computer. Now, I know some of you are thinking, if I bought the colored iMac computer, why on earth would I customize it to change the outside appearance of it? Well, I'm just gonna say right now that when first buying and looking at the different colors of the iMacs, the pink and red color did catch my eye. However, I did not like the pink color at all. I personally just love red, as you know, seen by my Respawn chair here. And I wanted to make it look a little bit more sleek and also darker as well, along with keeping the traditional red apple color as well. So I have listed my materials for what I used inside of the video down below in the links. So that way, if you want to also customize the look of your iMac as well, you totally could do it without having to spray paint it or having to permanently alter and change the color of your iMac as well. I found this to just be a very simple and cost-effective solution in order to change the iMac to how I would like it to be. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like or subscribe to my channel for more content just like this, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.